Imagine a battlefield where there are no human soldiers, only robots and AI-driven drones fighting for dominance. It sounds like science fiction, but it's quickly becoming a reality. The question is, should we embrace AI in military warfare, or are we opening Pandora's box? Let's dive into the debate. AI is already reshaping how nations approach warfare. Smart drones, autonomous submarines, and AI-powered surveillance systems are just a few examples. The argument in favor of using AI in the military is clear. It can save lives. Imagine a scenario where AI takes over dangerous missions, such as defusing bombs or conducting reconnaissance in hostile territories. Human soldiers can stay safe while AI takes the risks. Proponents believe this technology could reduce casualties on both sides. Moreover, AI can process vast amounts of data at lightning speed. On the battlefield, decisions often need to be made in seconds. AI can analyze troop movements, predict enemy strategies, and suggest the best counterattacks, all faster than any human commander ever could. It's like having the ultimate tactical assistant in your corner. But here's the catch. Who's really in control? The ethical dilemmas surrounding AI in warfare are massive. For instance, should a machine have the power to decide who lives and who dies? AI lacks morality and empathy, two things that are critical in warfare. A human soldier might hesitate before pulling the trigger, considering the broader consequences, but an AI might not have that same restraint. The fear is that we're delegating life and death decisions to algorithms, and once we cross that line, there's no turning back. Another concern is the risk of misuse. What happens if an autonomous weapon falls into the wrong hands? Imagine a rogue nation or a terrorist group with access to AI-driven weapons. The consequences could be catastrophic. And then there's the issue of escalation. If one country adopts AI in its military, others will feel the pressure to do the same. It's an arms race, but instead of nuclear weapons, the focus is on intelligent machines. There's also the question of accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, like targeting civilians instead of combatants, who is to blame? The programmer, the military, or the AI itself? These are the questions we need to answer before we can responsibly integrate AI into warfare. On the other hand, some argue that banning AI in warfare isn't realistic. History has shown that technological advancements in war are inevitable. Instead of banning, they suggest creating strict international laws and regulations to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. Think of it as the Geneva Conventions for AI warfare. But can we trust every country to follow these rules? That's another debate entirely. So, what's the verdict? Should AI be used in military warfare? It's a decision that will shape the future of global security and humanity itself. On one hand, AI offers the potential to save lives and revolutionize defense strategies. On the other hand, it opens a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas, risks, and unintended consequences. The reality is, AI in warfare is not just a hypothetical, it's already here. The only question left is, how will we choose to use it? Let us know what you think in the comments. Should AI play a role in military strategy, or should it be banned outright? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking discussions like this one. Until next time, stay curious and informed.